Hi, hello, good afternoon, namaskar, and a warm welcome to Paris for Family. And firstly, I wish you all a happy Ram Navami. And today is the devotional day and the traditional outfits that I am going to show you. And here I have been come across here to show you a Kanchivaram silk sarees which always admires the women and which it gives a beautiful and admiration which attracts the saree that I am going to show you today. So now we are here now in Paris. So see here, I am going to show you the Kanchivaram beautiful sarees. See here, with a beautiful like peach color, and it has got, see, with a pure like silver weaving and with a gold weaving border. See how beautiful it looks. And see that, and if you want any of the price of the sarees, see, please take a screenshot and send us on WhatsApp or else on the comment message so we can give you the full details of it. See the pallu, how rich it is, how beautiful it is. See, now we are going to show you the next here. See, there are so many of beautiful collections across here. See, hot pink color. See, hot pink colors always reminds the women, always attracts the women. The hot pink color. See, it has got with orange color border, and see with the pure weaving here. And see here with the English colors. Always some of the times the women always reminds that I want different colors. Even we have the different colors also. See how beautiful it is with the pink color, border and a rich pallu that they have been given here. See, the next saree is, see, even we have a lot of colors also. So if you want any of the colors, so we are here to show you, and we have a lot, and even we are also available through video shopping service. That we are available on WhatsApp, also through FaceTime, also on Skype. So please do kindly message us or else call us on the same number we have been given on the link there. See, come here. The next saree is in green color. Okay, see the green color, the border. Please come here and show the border how it is with the traditional border. So the weaving and goes to the richest pallu. Even these sarees you may use it for all for weddings, even for parties, even for pujas. There are so many, and we also have the discounts. Okay, 20% off discounts are going on. So please come across to the Paris or else message us on the given numbers. So we'll give you the discounts there. Okay, so come here. The next is the pink color border, even the gold saree. See the work here. See the weaving. How beautifully that they have been given. The Kanchipuram always reminds. Always the richest of the saree. The richness which comes is from the Kanchipuram sarees that everyone knows. See here, coming to the purple saree here. It's very soft. Totally, it's very soft. How come, see the golden weaving even in this. See the silver weaving, also the golden weaving, and see here how beautiful it has been designed here. Have a glance, okay? So don't miss of any of the outfits that I'm going to show you today. So if you like any of the things, take a screenshot and send to us so our team will connect to you. See, even this is also fully with the golden saree. See, the Kanchivaram silk sarees always reminds the Rekha always with the Bollywood concept. See how the weaving, the delight, the work, even the charmingness, how beautiful it is. Come here. See, this is in the purple color, the small buttas. There are so many customers, they ask that I want in small buttas, not in flowery, not in flory. See here. How the fleece, it's not stiff yet. It's very soft. See here. It's this very soft silk fabric that we have. With the pallu, see the pallu that I am going to show you. And see, it has got contrast blouse. Okay, the richest pallu always it gives. coming to the next pink color, blush pink color. Blush pink color, who always loves the women, the blush pink color. Pink always, wherever they go, I want only the pink color saree. I want only the pink color saree. Yes, here it is. Come to the palace. You get a lot of pink, even in silk sarees, even the pure Kanchipuram silk sarees you get. See. In golden, the pink weaving that they have been given. How beautiful it is, you know. See the border. Come here. Next we are going to the peacock color. Peacock and parrot color mixed color. So this is called like something new. See here. See the border that they have been given. See the colors that they have given. Golden, even with the pink color, even with the blue, even the silver weaving, everything. The jerry weaving that highlights the saree is called Kanchipuram. See the border. The richness of the saree. Wow, beautiful color. Golden mango yellow color. This is the season that we are going to take, right? See the hot pink border with the mango yellow color saree. How beautiful it is, see here. The weaving of the saree, the flowery weaving. The border. The traditional border that they have been given with the peacocks and the elephants. See how. Yes, see, come here. Black saree, black with grey. Wow, it's a stunning look. The fancy saree. Always some of the customers they ask, I want fancy sarees, but in Kanchipuram. But see here, you got the saree. The black saree with the stunning grey color with the weaving, the silver weaving. Guys, don't forget Paris, okay? And don't forget to message us. And please come to us on video call. And we are available to show you all of the collections that we have here. So don't forget it. Come here. So the next is gold color. And here you might get to see, please come here. See, the saree is with all the peacock and the swan, even the elephant, even the deer. See, something is new. And it has got temple border in it. For the traditional concept, see the saree with the flowery. A saree is always reminds of women that attracts everyone, right? See here. Now this is goes to like navy blue color with the bottle green border. See here, how traditional that they have been paid. See here. With the richness of the saree. This small but it's very soft, okay? This small button. Come, we'll go to the next saree. Hot pink color with the purple border. See, even here also you have got to see some elephants here with the traditional weaving. The traditional day, the traditional weaving, the traditional saree. Most probably everyone knows Kanchipuram saree is always highlighted with the weaving, even the flowery, even the fancies, in everything, the golden cherry, even the silver cherry, even the weaving, everything. they come across with a saree, is cream color with a flowery. See, it has got like double color mixed the border, orange and the red color. See the border. See the border and the richness is the pallu. Now next we are going to have the wine color with a coral border. Okay, see the traditional border is here. Even this seams is good. See the color, the combination that they have been given. Small buttas with the peacock buttas. Come here. Even the gold saree with the orange color border. See, the border, even the border is also totally, it's big border. The skirt border that they say, see here. With the mango weaving, pallu, saree. Just look at the saree. With the silver weaving and with the gold weaving. The background color is something the grey, like what we say orange color. And now I'm going to show you here. There are so many of colors and so many colorful way that we can wear. See here, we have a lot of sarees in Kanchipuram that they want soft silk sarees. And please, can you show me like any of the sarees that look very soft silk? Oh, please. See the saree, how beautiful the color is. See, peacock color. The border, something it's new. The richness of the pallu, contrast blouse. See the whole saree. The next saree, please, can you show us? Oh, pink color. Pink with blue border. Even the ups, what on the shoulder part that they have been given the green border. Even this is also something new. It's the contrast blouse that they have been given. See, there are many of the colors, and if you like any of the sarees, you please ping us on WhatsApp, on Skype and on FaceTime. We are available, and we have also given you the number there. You please contact us. Sir, please can you show us the saree?
Yes.
See the saree with the bottle green and the red color combination. Wow, it's a stunning look. So these are the colors that we have. Even we have much more colors. You may ping us, so we'll give you the details. Even we can show you via video call. And this that we are going to end the live now. And thank you for your valuable time and the precious time that you have spent with us. We always love to you. Please welcome to the Paris family. That always we welcome you, and please join us. We may give you the more service, because since from past 25 years that we are serving, even we are always here live here to show you always the collections what we have here, and we get more of the collections the next episode that we are going to show you, and we always give you. Thank you.